So this is the Arroyo Wash in Pasadena, and it's been raining out the last couple of days, so this is an actual wash. It's usually dry, just like the Los Angeles River, and this is all the water that's accumulated in the foothills beyond Pasadena. And as you can see, this stuff is like a raging current. You know, this water wants to go to sea, and this will flow down to the Los Angeles River and then continue out to Santa Monica Harbor in Marina del Rey and out into the Pacific Ocean. But as you can see, this current is ripping here, and it's not very deep. But if you're standing in it, even if it's like knee high, it's taking you with it. And you're gonna be horizontal, and you're not gonna be floating the whole time. You're gonna be submerged, and it's really dangerous. You can drown, and it happens often. And that's why you see the first responders dangling from helicopters, making these daring rescues of children and homeless people. And that's why it's really important when you hear about rain to not play or stay or even walk along the river. Be in a safe spot like I am on top of a bridge, and just enjoy it, because it's really awesome, amazing spectacle of nature, but it's definitely dangerous. So anyway, I'm just going to let you enjoy this flow, the Arroyo Wash, going at full rage and for about a minute or two. And thanks for watching Busted Los Angeles.